Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be talking about a very exciting tutorial about how we can find or make new 3D models and import them to our Swift project. So we find different 3D models and convert them to match format for our Swift and Xcode project and import them. Before you spend your valuable time, please make sure you have at least these versions of Xcode, iOS, and Swift. And yeah, let's start our project. But before doing that, I would like to show you some models that I already added to one test project. You will see this is one skull, or this is a rabbit, or this is a deer, and this is cow. Yeah, so let's start our project. So file, new project. So we choose augmented reality app and rename it iOS Swift AR Kit new 3D models. This is already open and it's so it says it's open, so I have to close it first then. So yeah, here we go. So let me close this. Okay, so file, new project, and try it now. Says that this time let me to replace it because it's not open. So yeah, go ahead and make a new one and replace it with the old one. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna run this to show you how easy it is. I just made it and run it. So, and I will have it here. And in this opportunity, I talk about this ship. So this is a 3D model with a texture. Texture is material sitting on cover, surface of our 3D model. So, and this blank white is launch screen storyboard. You can write whatever you want to come in start of your project on it. So yeah, here we go. You will see that it's a ship, and the background is black because it's simulator, and there is no camera footage. In your device, you will see some footage behind it. Okay, so how we can do that? First of all, we go to one browser and search for free 3D models, and when you do it, you will get list of websites that providing free 3D models. The best one I found is this one, free3d.com, and in this one you can find lots of free as well as purchase. Okay, so I want to add one rabbit first. So I search for rabbit, and here I get this. If you see one model like this, this is because this can be used as a character. In other tutorials that I will make for you, that how you can make animation with your AR kit, we will work on that. But for now, let's choose this one, which is free and has .obj format that I'm looking for. So you get some description here and generator, and here you can download it for zero, for free. So when you click here, it's gonna go and download it for you. I already downloaded that before, and I have it here, and even I made some different format for that, but I'm looking for this one. So the files you are looking for is rabbit.obj and this texture, which is cover for this 3D model. Okay, so for convert this to format that be good on our Xcode project, we need another tool. So we will go back to our browser, and this time looking for Blender. Blender is a very cool open source 3D software. It's free and lets you to work on 3D software in your Mac, and it's as they said, it's free forever. So you can download the blend, and when you download it and open it, it would be like, I already have this. Let me close this. Yeah, and I'm gonna run this again to give you an idea how gonna you be faced with. So when you run this for the first time, you will see this sign as is downloaded. You say okay, no problem, open. So, and here you will have something like this, a sample. So you will go to select by layer, and this one select all of them. So you go to delete and delete this. Okay, so now we will go to file, import, and then we will choose this one, wave front or .obj. Okay, and in my download I had that one, so I download that zip file or 7p file, and I extended it, and it's gave me this one. So I choose this object, and here we go. So I have my rabbits here. If you want to, sometimes it's too big, so if you want to change size of it, so you just click on scale, and when you move your mouse, it's gonna change size of your rabbit until you push escape or click on your mouse. Okay, so when you're done with this and you found that it's good to go, you will go to object, actually no, you will go to file and choose export, and you will choose this one, Collada, which is default, and so .dae. Okay, now where we want to save it, I say okay, save it for me in download root. So here I say rabbits and export Collada. So in my download file now I have this one. No, not this one. Rabbits. This one. Okay. So what I do now, I go to my Xcode project. Here I create a new folder. I name this folder Rabbit, exactly same as my model. Okay, then I gonna go here. We need to copy rabbit also texture. So here I'm gonna drag this here. It's important to put it in the proper place, so under this directory, not here. Okay, and leave it there. Copy that one. Also I want to copy textures. Okay, so I copy these guys here as well. Okay, so now I will have all of them here. Also, I'm gonna make a new folder. This folder, I name it ship, and I copy these two here. Okay, so now I come and I have my rabbit here. Yes, you will see I have my rabbit in Xcode project, but first of all I need to convert this to SCN, same as ship. So I choose this one, select it, then I'll go to editor, convert to SceneKit file, so.scn, and convert. Okay, now I have my rabbit in SCN. So I tap on it, you'll click on it, then I'll go here, and here I need to make it some you can change the size or whatever you like. So I said, okay, I don't want all depend of your model how designed. So you can play with this and make it. So I say, okay, show me from front. Yes, so I just give it a little bit angle like this and like this. Okay, and also take it back in scene for 0.1. This is all meter, so it's gonna be 10 centimeter, and this one I say minus 0.05. I bring it down in a line, and also a scale. A scale is this is too big, so I'm gonna say 0.1, 0.1, and 0.1. Okay, so yeah, so this is my rabbit now, and let's see if we run. No, first we need to come here, and here this is the place that actually pre-codes that we have here. You just come to view the load, and here we load our scene, SCN scene. So here we can change this to directory rabbits and rabbits.scn. Here also, okay. Let me run it to see if it's working or not, or anything missing. So build succeeded. It seems that it's good. Yeah. So I got fatal error. So let me go back here, and here rabbits are A, B. So rabbit.scn. Okay, so I need this one be here. Sorry, folks. Yeah, so let me run this again. So see, yes, here we go. All right, so you can play with this and take it a little bit far. For example, make this 5 and run the game. But in this opportunity, I'm gonna import some other. Actually, I want to import the skull and also one tab. Okay, so same as others, you will come here, this time search for example for skull, and yeah, now you see I took it a little bit far in Z, and you will see it's far. You need to walk toward it to zoom on it. Okay, and here we have some free 3D model of skull, and you can choose either work for this one good for Halloween or this one for animals. I think that one I downloaded was this one, or maybe this one. Anyway, so I have it already downloaded. You can try other and see how they are. Depend on the designers, they are different. So when you download them, you will see, when export them, you will have some directory like this, which is include one OBJ and some texture. So again, you will come here in your Xcode and create new directory, new folder. Jumped out. Yes, so you will create new folder. My Xcode closed by itself. So here I have to wait until it's loaded, and also this one, for example, is it there that I download, or this is skull. Even for TED, I made animation for that. We will work on it, that how you can do this later in other tutorials. Make sure to subscribe. Actually, yeah, subscribe and like. Okay, here I make this directory name skull, and again I'll go to my skull object, and skull with all textures. Oh, you know what, first I need to go to Blender. Yeah, we missed that part. So now I delete this the old one, and this time I actually import this object that I downloaded recently, skull, and this is that, not the skull. Let me delete this one. So file, import, object. Yeah, I went to TED. So skull object. Okay, here you see it's really big. So I'm gonna make it smaller, so I go to scale, and you will see when I move my mouse it's gonna change. So I make it smaller, and here I'm gonna export it. So I say File, Export, Collada, and I put it in root skull, and export it. Yeah. So I come to my download. I should have it here. Export. Yeah, in download. I put it here. And I want to put it in downloads. Skull, and yeah, export it. So here you are. Yeah. So I'll go to Xcode this time, and in directory, yeah, here we go. We drag it here. Also, I drag my textures. Here as well. Okay, so for this one, you see it's a little bit different. Why? I tell you, because we don't have light, and also this one has several parts. So what I do, I say, okay, first I'm gonna go to editor, convert it to SCN. Okay, as soon as I convert it to SCN, I go here and I open this one. Okay, here I have jaw for that, I have teeth, and I have a skull. So what I do, I make a node here. I name this node skull, same as directory. Then I choose all of these and put them here. Here, yes. Okay. Also here I'm gonna add some light. So to make my skull visible. You see, as soon as I put light, you can see it. So I add another light here, for example, to give so also I want to give it some color. Let me add this. I take this lights inside as well. Okay, so okay, I go to job. I change, I come here, and for job it's this color. I want to make it a little bit different, so I make it, for example, blue, or let me make it red. Okay, then you can change, for example, for teeth, let's leave it as it is, and for a skull I make it green. Okay, so now it's like this. Okay, so what else I'm gonna do? Now I'm gonna say, okay, from front, show me from front. Yeah, it's like this. So I come here to choose it. I choose this and come here, and I say 90 degree, minus 90 degree. Okay, now it's a good angle. Okay, so just about the size. let's keep same size, and let's go to our view controller, and this time try to put this in output. I hope I don't have mistype this time. Yeah, and I try to run. Actually, yeah, need to close the old one and open the new one. Let's see. It seems it's too big because I can't see anything here. So I say okay, choose my scale, and I took it a little bit far, so minus 0.3. Okay, and scale 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, run now. So probably you got it that any 3D object has a 3D model which cover, yes, here we go, which cover with some material. So this can be picture, or you can use solid color or anything else. So here you go. Even if we want, we can give it some different angle, but all of these are by default for a start point, but later you can change the angle or whatever of this model with program, which we working on it in other tutorials. Okay, I believe that's it. Good. That's it for today. I try to make more tutorials about this to add some other models, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for all exciting tutorials are coming every day. And if you have any comment, leave it in, any question, leave it in comments, and I wish the best for you and say goodbye.